my gosh, we're out here cleaning all the cars today. We have everything, and this thing was so nasty, but it looks so much better. I still need to come in here with a toothbrush though. But I have a question for you guys. How the heck do I clean out these stupid things? Because I cannot figure it out. It is so gross. Who knows how much grime is built up in here. A lot of you guys have called me out for not doing a ton of Fox body content. You're right, I haven't. I still love this car, I still drive it. But I need to give her some love on the channel. Love them or hate them, it always causes controversy. What do you think about the cheese grater taillights? I like them. A lot of people hate them and tell me to replace them, but I will never. For those of you guys who do not know, I have a slight car problem, baby. I have my 1992 Fox body Mustang GT, of course. I have this Camaro that I just picked up, and I may or may not have spray painted the wheel. I don't know if you saw that in my last video. Yeah, it's still not cleaned up. But I think look, it comes off so easy. I do have this 2016 Mustang GT Performance Pack in the competition orange. Have you noticed how insane prices are on used cars right now? Because I just got offered, you'll never guess how much money I just got offered for this car. Pause the video right here and guess how much I got offered for this car. It's insane. I also have this Terminator Cobra over here. Somebody tell me what the heck is going on with this market right now. Is it the time to buy right now or sell? I don't really want to let go of my car, but I did get offered an insane amount and I said no. Yeah, guess below and I'll tell you in just a minute. Let's go clean this car. I didn't realize kind of what a unicorn I had in this car. Does anyone else have a competition orange performance pack? Because I have not been able to find one for sale. Let me know if you do, comment below. I have been cleaning this car for about 45 minutes off camera and it looks pretty good right now. Come check it out. Look at that. I didn't realize how much I love those back seats. It looks so much better. It was so nasty. Oh, look how good it is. Yes, I still have the club as my alarm system. And it's worked so far. Check it out.
What, do you still have the car? Validate
me, guys. How awesome is it? Yes. It still works because I still have the car. But can you just validate how clean this car is right now for me?
I think people want to hear it. You haven't started it in forever.
Oh, snap. That's right. All right, let me grab the keys. Cameraman, keys! I'm just kidding. Ready? Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, this car sounds so mean. I love it. Listen. Just take a moment and just listen. Alright, I should probably turn this off and go clean the Camaro. Oh, listen to that. When it settles in, that little rumble. Woo! And my emergency brake doesn't really work, so put it in for a scare. I love car cleaning days. It's so fun. It's like starting all over again. Alright. I have never cleaned this car. A lot of firsts today. Oh! Ow, freaking shut up. Cut that out. Oh, is it green? I've never noticed this, but the carpet's green and I don't think it was made that way. Something happened or they cleaned the carpet with something that kind of bleached a little bit. Ugh, at least I hope that's what it is. It's all back here. Man, look, it looks like they used a cleaner just right there. Silly people. Oh shoot, I forgot. I need to put oil in the Mustang because it does have a leak and I have to top it off every time I drive it. So let's go do that real quick. And I'm gonna put seafoam in there. Don't kill me, guys. Half of you hate it, half of you say it's okay. I'm gonna do it. Easy, easy. You know what I would love to do? I would love to go to mechanic school for fun and just like learn everything. Does anybody want to host me for 6 months so I can go to mechanic school, become a master Ford mechanic? Do you need this mask? I don't need it anymore. All right, maybe that's too political to post on here. Let's check it first. Come on, baby. Don't be missing too much. Oh, snap. It's like right in there. Maybe I'll put in just a little bit more. As you can see on my driveway right there, there's tons of oil stains. All of these old cars leak. It's fine, but I do need to add oil.
Where's the oil cap?
Do you know where it is? Because I know. She knows where an oil cap is. What? Oh, I got it on my shirt. No. Okay. I'm gonna try not to splash, but it always happens. Like that. Ugh. Oh, freak.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh, dear. All right, all finished up. I did get some around the edge, but that's okay. We're gonna ignore it when it smokes tomorrow. Oh boy. I forgot to wear my gloves. Okay. Watch out. I should probably check the oil in this car too because it has been forever since I checked it. Good practice, just in case it's leaking too much. My Camaro wouldn't start last time, and some of you gave me the tip to park it backwards and make sure that the gas tank is always full, and now it starts up every time like a dream, so thank you so much. I love you. All right. Is this a garden hose right here, you guys? Because it sure looks like one. Hey, you work with what you got, right? All right, that's amazing. Whoever you are,
That's
good
what
job.
he said.
What? Oh, what you guys. All right, now stupid question. Where's the dipstick? Dumb question, I know. Hold on. I don't need your help. I have too many cards, you guys. I can't figure out where it is. Hold on, I know it's here somewhere.
Oh no.
Or over there. Oh no, what?
It's over there.
I can't see it. Ah, there it is. Nifty little hook here. All right. Seriously, guys, tell me what is going on with this used car market because I have no clue. Also, I forgot to tell you how much I got offered for the orange car. It was $35,000. Should I have taken it or no? Because I passed on it. Ah! Help. I feel like I need scissors. Can you get it?
I'm twisting the wrong way.
You need this?
It goes that way.
Oh, I thought that was a brake thing. Only engine coolant. We're in the right spot. Oh, please don't. Oh. Tell me when.
Oh, keep going.
I'm trying not to spill. Look at that color. It's so pretty. Okay.
That's good.
All right. All ready for summer.